It's that time to meet our hometown heroes, the people doing good in their community. During the lockdown, Peter Glaw's virtual trade service kicked into overdrive. Using online video chatting services, Peter has been able to help homeowners tackle plumbing, electrical, or roofing problems, all for free. And Peter joins us now from Port Credit, Ontario, along with one of his customers, Peter Cameron from Toronto. Welcome, the two Peters. But Peter Glaw, I'm going to begin with you because you are our hometown hero. You own a construction company, which obviously pays your bills, but you also offer this free virtual service on the side. Tell us the story behind starting this side gig up.
Well, it was a good idea to be able to help people virtually, and what we do, we can just talk to people via our telephone and help solve their problems. And then when the crisis came about, it was really, really busy for us. People were calling us, and we were helping an awful lot of people solve their problems, all for free.
So good.
That is amazing. You know, we have a saying in the MacArthur house, if it's free, it's for me. And to the other Peter on this now, how did you feel, Peter, when Peter arrived at your place and fixed your sink, did not charge you a dime?
Oh, I felt fantastic. With the time of COVID, I knew we couldn't get a plumber in. So what happened was I was just going under the sink to put in some kitchen scraps, saw there was a water leak. And I knew if I didn't get the water leak fixed, he would probably damage the wood. And with my wife, you'd probably have to rip out the cabinets, and then a countertop would have been like a $50,000 fix. So I'm so thankful for Peter for doing that with no charge.
Oh, I bet. So Peter Glaw, what's next for you? Are you going to continue with this?
Absolutely. You know what? It's been such a high demand, and I feel so good about helping people that I'm going to continue this forever. I mean, it's just the right thing to do. It's the way it was brought up, and I really enjoy helping people.
That is amazing, and thank you so much for being our hometown hero. Thank you on behalf of Peter Cameron and all the people you have helped during this time. If you would like to nominate a hometown hero, connect with us on social media at Morning Show CA.